Hope everybody had a good weekend. So we got a little Chinese go-kart here. It's a Blazer 49cc. It's got the little, I'm gonna call it a weed whacker engine with the gear reduction box. It's got the electric starter. It is made by Manco, which I thought was a made here in America, but from what I can see, I believe this Blazer is Chinese. Maybe I'm wrong, but we're gonna do some work on this thing here. It needs a lot of work. Got some frozen cables. The engine doesn't run by itself. We don't have any power going to the dash. The gas tank is you guys can see in there, it's pretty bad. And there's the top. It pretty much looks the same on the inside. So we'll see if we can get the rest of that water to evaporate out of there. It's missing some pieces on the carburetor here. It's missing the front of the air box. So we're gonna have to do some adapting somehow, or maybe we can buy some parts. I'm not sure. Anybody got one of these? Welcome to chime on in. If anybody's had the same problem with the dash being dead, I can't get any power to that, the starter, the horn, anything. So we're gonna have a video coming up, maybe a couple videos. We're doing the carburetor, we're doing the gas tank. We're gonna do a few things on this guy, try to get it back up and going. All right, I'm gonna touch base with you guys shortly.